Dear student, today we are going to start another example related to dearrangement and second unit principle of inclusion exclusion. This is the topic we are right now in the second part or other part of dearrangement over here. And the example is they mention like there are 8 envelopes which are opened. Okay, there are 8 envelopes, they are open and their letters are get removed. Okay, so how many ways these letters can be replaced so that there are 4 conditions over there. 8 envelopes are opened and the letters are removed. Okay, how many ways can be letters be replaced so that no letter is put in its original position? Okay, I have 8 letters, they are all open and we haven't put it over there in their respective envelope over there, and we are going to replace in such a way that no letters is put in its original envelope. Then they have mentioned another thing, exactly one letter is put in original position, at least. Okay, exactly one letter is should be put in the original envelope. Then third condition is that at least one letter at least one letter is put in the original envelope. And last condition is that at least two letters at least two letters are put in the original position or an original envelope. So how many letters we have? We have 8 letters. So number of letters is put in its original envelope. This means that, okay, the dearrangements of we have to do the 8 letters. Okay, no letters is put in original position means that we have to dearrangements of these 8 objects which should not be in the its original position. We already discussed the dearrangement formula for that. The d8, that means the number of objects are 8 over here. That means the dearrangement is a d8. It's denoted as n factorial in bracket 1 by 0 factorial. Similarly, the number of objects are 8. So 8 factorial in bracket 1 by 0 factorial. Okay, in bracket 1 minus 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 4 factorial minus 1 by 5 factorial 1 by 6 factorial minus 1 by 7 factorial plus 1 by 8 factorial. So we done plus minus plus minus plus minus according to that. Okay, now after solving that, what we get? 1 by 0 factorial, the first one, the first permutation over there, that 1 by 0 factorial, that means 1 factorial. Okay, that's value is 1. 1 by 1 factorial, 1 factorial means again a 1. So we get cancel both of these two. Okay, 1 by 0 factorial over here, that means a 1, and we done cancellation of these. And we put up the remaining portion from here, okay, on the second part of this. That means 1 by 2 factorial, 1 by 3 factorial, and so on. Remember, we are going to write down the question, that equation, by putting the first value as a positive and another value as a negative. Then positive, negative till the 8 factorial. Now what we done in the second portion of here, we insert that this 8 factorial inside of that box, or that's a square box over there. That means 8 factorial divided by 2 factorial minus 8 factorial divided by 3 factorial plus 8 by 4 factorial, 8 factorial by 5 factorial, 8 factorial by 6 factorial. Again, this is that combination of plus minus till 8 factorial divided by 8 factorial. So 8 factorial divided by 8 factorial, that means a 1. We already know that. Now, since what is that value? Since 8 factorial means what? We know that how we are going to write down this way: 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, the calculation comes over there 40,320. So in this way, what we done, replacing that 8 factorial with 40,320 divided by 2. 2 means 2 factorial. Okay, remember 2 means 2 into 1. Here again 40,320 divided by 6. Divided by 6, how it comes? 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1, that means 6. Again 40,320 divided by 4 factorial. 4 factorial means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is count as 24. Okay, so again 8 factorial divided by 5 factorial, the 8 factorial calculated we already calculated by 40,320. So we divide 40,320 by 120. How is calculated 120? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is counted as 120. Similarly, 6 factorial, 7 factorial. So 6 factorial count as 720 and 7 factorial counted as 5040. Okay. So in this way, we are going to divide that 40,320 by respective their division points like 5, 6, 7 or something, these factorials over there. So last count I get it like 20,160. That means 43 by 20 divided by 2 means 20,160. 4320 divided by 6 means 6,720. 4320 by 24 means 1,640. So we put it all the values over there. Okay, these are the all values which is get it after division of that particular values by 40,320, and last output I get it 14,883. So these are the number of ways we can say that if no letter is put its in original position, we get it the value is 14,883. So D of 8, that means D arrangement of 8 is counted 14,883. Now we come across the second question. What is that? Exactly one letter is put. Exactly one letter should be put. Okay. So they mentioned exactly one letter put in the original position. So what they have written over here, in this case, 8 out of 8 letters. Okay. Out of 8 letters, one letter will be in the original envelope, and which can be done with HC1. That means NC1, what kind of ways are there? 8C1 means one letter I'm going to put up from the 8 liters. So I'm going to write down in 8C1, that is mean number of ways are 8 ways. So what is that? 7 letters are remains. So 7 letters we are going to dearrange. So here the dearrangements of 7 letters we have to do. That means D7 we have to calculate. Okay. Because they have to write down exactly one letter should be in its original position. So out of 8, we put up one letter in its original position. So how many there are remain? 7 letters. So in this case, the 7 letters, we have to dearrange that in this way. D7 equal to 7 factorial. Again, with the similar kind of whatever written over here, we can write down directly by 1 minus 1 factorial or 1 by 0 factorial also. Okay. 1 by 0 also we can write it down. So 1 by plus 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial. Okay. Plus 1 by 4 factorial minus 1 by 5 factorial plus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 7 factorial. These are the all the D7 permutation, D7 dearrangement formula. So total number of ways will be, okay. So we have already D7, we calculate, we are going to calculate D7, okay. And the number of ways for 8 we don't, and the 8th one which is already in the original position. So what is that way? We already know that the one letter we already put up in the original, that means in the 8C1 ways, that means 8 ways. So total will be what will happen? 8 into D7, that whatever the calculation which coming from the D7 is going to be multiplied with 8. Okay. I think yesterday we discussed about that D7. Okay. That D7 value we calculate over here, 1,854. Okay. So we put up that value over here. Okay. So in this way, the above example, what we get in from the D7 here, this is a D7 yesterday we calculated, and D7 values were 2520, 840, 210. This is the value we get it, that is 1,854, the last output we get it. So what we done over here in this example, 8, that means the number of ways of first letter, that is we already put up in original position, that is 8 ways, multiplied by D7. The D7 value is over here. So whatever the value get it from that output, I'm going to multiply it with 8. So how many ways we get it? 1,432. Look at this way. Okay, look at the output over here with the D8. Okay, we get it 14,883, and with multiplication of with 8 and D7 we get it 14,832. So when I'm going to put exactly one letter over in the original position or in an envelope, the number of ways I get it 14,832. Okay. Now the third question. What is that third question? At least one letter is put up in its original position. Here exactly one, that is not a word. Here they put up at least one. That means any letter I can put it over there. Okay, so in this case, what the output will get it, okay, either one letter is placed in properly, or second letter is going to be properly, or third letter is going to be properly, or all 8 letters are going to be placed in proper manner. Okay, you get it. So at least one letter I am going to put up there. That means either I have to put one letter in the proper position, or two letters I have to put on that position, because they have not mentioned that exactly one. They have mentioned just at least one letter should be put up over there. So all letters I can put up over there. Okay, so number of ways calculate in this way are here, from D7, D6 plus D5, D4, D3, D2, D1 plus D0. Okay, so these are the number of ways I can get it, because what I have mentioned over here, at least one letter they have put up. So number of placed for each letter can be put up in either first letter I can put, second letter, or three letters, or all letters can be put. So number of ways including D0, all are counted as, okay, 8 liter. So what is the what is that the D arrangement is going to calculate as, this is called as the D8 over here. So all letters are 8 letters. The factorial of 8 liter we already calculate over here. Okay, 40,320. Okay, this is the factorial of 8. That means all 8 liters. Okay, suppose they have put up all 8 liters over there. So what is that? 40,320. So universally what I get it over here is 8 factorial. Okay, 8 factorial minus D8. The value, because already all letters, all 8 letters I am going to put it that in this fashion. So what is that? 14,833. What we take it D8 value from above mentioned. Okay, this is D8 value we calculate over here. This is a D8 value. Okay, in the first example, first small a, we calculate 14,883. So D8 we calculate. So we minus 14,833 from 8 factorial. The last output category is 20,487. Okay, this is the value we get it. Now the last one they mentioned at least 2 letters is put in its original envelope. Okay, so here they have mentioned at least 2 letters out of 8. Okay, so two second letter, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7 or 8 letters are placed over there. Okay, which going to calculate as like D6, D5, D4, D3, D2, D1 and D0 plus the values over there, which is equivalent to what we get it universally. How many letters we are? 8 letters. We already know it. The 2 letters are going to be placed, at least 2 letters are going to be put up over there. So I'm going to minimize that D8 arrangements of 8 minus D arrangement of 7. So we calculate both the values from A and B. We already calculate the value of D7 also there. Okay, so what we get it 8 factorial minus D8 value is 14,833 and minus 14,832. So last output I get it 10,655. Okay, this is the last output I get it, and in this way this example can be solved. I hope you get it, did what I meant to say. Okay.